Good morning, everybody. It's Tiffany from Progress. How are you? I wanted to talk about a concept in professional organizing, and especially with clients that have chronic disorganization, whether it be clients that were looking at paperwork and putting together the financial picture and getting the budget organized, or clients that are currently paring down because of excessive clutter. The concept is gatekeeping. I was talking about this with a client earlier this week to reinforce that strategy. And that is similar to the one in, one out. But gatekeeping is just being very mindful of what you're bringing into the house. If you are having some financial struggles because of impulse purchases or buying things that you don't really need, or you're in the process of trying to pare down so that you have a more functional home, gatekeeping can be a great concept to apply. So it's just being very mindful of anything that is coming in the home. Some strategies for that would be setting aside items in your Amazon purchase cart and holding off for a certain time frame to make sure that you're not just buying things impulsively, really thinking about that purchase and whether or not that's something that you would like to do. It could be making sure that you're putting together a list before you go out and only buying what's on your list. And if you see something else while you're out, maybe writing that down, but not necessarily buying it today. And so gatekeeping can be a great strategy, not only to keep excessive clutter and items that you may or may not need out of the home. It's also very helpful if you are really trying to stay within a certain budget. So financially, it's a way to stay organized. In your home, it's a way to stay organized so that you are not taking on more items or purchases than you really want to. If you have any questions, make a comment below, and or you can reach out via email. And I hope you have a great day. Maybe this concept could be helpful for you in the future. Thank you. Bye.